Hola, everybody. This week's work is called Year 7, Term 3, Week 6, El Aspecto Físico. Your first learning target, I can describe my height and appearance. And your second learning target, I can start to describe other people. The first thing we have here is a picture of a sloth. I love sloths. I think they're adorable. In Spanish, a sloth is called un perezoso. Why do you think they call them this? And what does it have to do with our lesson this week? This will become clearer as I go on. So this video has all the vocabulary that you're going to need in order to do this week's work. So I'm going to take you through it now. So we have Spanish, Español on the left, Inglés on the right. And the first thing we have is ¿Cómo eres? Which is a question, what are you like? So if somebody wants to know what sort of a person you are, whether you're fun or whether you're boring or whatever, they're going to ask you, ¿Cómo eres? We need the verb ser, to be able to do this. And if you want to say I am, it's soy. If you want to talk to or about somebody else, or maybe you're asking, what are you like? You need this verb eres, like in our question, ¿Cómo eres? And to say what somebody else is like, you need es, which is he is or she is. So a boy in Spanish es un chico. A girl is una chica. Now we're going to get into adjectives to describe people. So just like with colors, red, blue, yellow, and white, the adjective has to change if you're talking about someone who's a male versus someone who's a female. So for a boy, it's alto. And for a girl, we have to change the O on the end of alto to an A, and it becomes alta. So, es un chico alto. He is a tall boy. Es una chica alta. She is a tall girl. If you were going to talk about yourself, so for example, if I were going to say that I am tall, I would say soy, and then I would say alta, because I am a woman. So my adjective has to end in an A, soy alta. For short, we have bajo and baja. For thin, if someone is thin, you can say they are delgado. And if they're a girl, it's delgada. Likewise, if someone is a little on the chubby side, we would say gordo for a man and gorda for a woman. And if you want to say that someone is good looking or describe yourself as good looking, if you're a male, you would say guapo, but a female is guapa. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit and take a look at the rest of them. If somebody is ugly, it's a bit mean, but we do need to know how to say it in Spanish. For a man, the word is feo, and for a woman, it's fea. If someone is boring, a boring man would be described as aburrido, and a boring woman would be described as aburrida. If someone is mean, we know some of these words already because we use these to describe teachers. If someone is mean, we would say a mean man is antipático, and a mean woman is antipática. A man who might be fun or who is funny in humor is divertido, and a woman is divertida. And if someone is strict, maybe your dad is strict or your grandpa is strict, you would say he is severo. And if your mom or an auntie or a grandma is strict, you would say severa. A nice man, pleasant man, is described as simpático, while a nice woman or a pleasant woman would be described as simpática. Here's a word we've seen already. I showed you a picture of an animal at the start, and I said in Spanish we use this word to describe it, perezoso. This means lazy. Why do you think they call that animal a perezoso? And a lazy female is a perezosa. If someone is shy, they are tímido. A shy woman is tímida. And this adjective, inteligente, doesn't change whether you're describing a man or a woman.